Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search for Gmail app and you will click here. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.